welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this video I'll be showing you how you can able to claim $1 million worth of BNB and BTC directly on Trust Wallet. This is the only hack that you will need to claim up to $1 million worth of BNB and BTC, and this can be transferred. So stay with me as I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how you can be able to achieve this. If you're new to my channel, I would like you to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that when I post helpful videos like this, you can be able to get notified. So without wasting much time, let's begin. So as you can see, I'm now on Trust Wallet. So before you proceed with these steps, you will need to make sure that your Trust Wallet is updated. So if it's not updated, you can move over to the Play Store or the Apple Store and do that. So as you can see, I'm on my Trust Wallet now, and the balance here is completely zero. You can see the balance is completely zero. So now I'll be showing you how you can be able to claim up to $1 million worth of BNB and BTC. So now you move over to any browser of your choice, and then when you're on any browser of your choice, you search for the BSC scan transaction hash, and then once you search this, you hit the enter, and then you wait for it to load. Now you select the first option that pops up, the first option, the BSC scan, and then once you select it, you'll be seeing a lot of details on the site, a whole lot of details. But we are going to be copying just one unique address, which is this address. We're going to be copying this address. So now you just click on this sign here so as to copy the address. Then once you click on it, it will say copy, and then you move over to Trust Wallet. This icon right here, the settings. Then when you click on the settings, you select the wallet option, the wallet right here, and then you select it. Now we're going to be adding a wallet to the present ones here. So you click on the plus sign right here, and then you see these two options that pops up. They create new wallet and add existing wallet. I'm going to be using the add existing wallet. So now you go ahead and click on that existing wallet, and then the wallet that we are going to be using for this is the view only wallet. This is the wallet that we're going to be using to claim $1 million worth of BNB and BTC. So now once you click on it, you see a lot of options that show, such as Ethereum, BNB Beacon Chain, BNB Smart Chain, XRP, and a whole lot of them. We are going to be selecting one, which is the BNB Smart Chain. The BNB Smart Chain. That is what we are going to be using. So now you select the BNB Smart Chain, and then you paste the address that you copied from the BSC scan transaction hash website. And then you see the paste right here. You just click on paste, and then you click on confirm. Now once you click that, you see welcome aboard, the wallet has been created successfully. So now you click on the start using Trust Wallet, and here we are. Now you can see that our balance is now up to $725.12. That is a whole lot of money. And then you can see a lot of coins that has been given to us. You can see the TRON, which we have 68.69. Now you can see clearly what is written on the wallet, which is the view only wallet. Now the view only wallet means that this balance cannot be withdrawn. It cannot be withdrawn. Now let's see more about the view only wallet. So this is the Trust Wallet website, and then this explains what the view only wallet is. It is basically for receiving address and wallet address, and it is a great way to keep an eye on your funds in the wallet, but especially a cold wallet. Now, what can a watch address do? As you can see right here, you can see what this wallet can do and what it cannot do. What it cannot do, you cannot send funds from that address to an exchange like Binance. You cannot send funds from this address to another wallet. You cannot sign smart contracts, and you cannot use the app browser. So this is just how the view only wallet works. You cannot transfer the funds. Be careful about those people out there that will tell you that they can be able to withdraw the balance on view only wallet. It is not possible. So you can use this to be able to see funds on this cold wallet. So that is just how you can be able to make this visual on your Trust wallet. If you find this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when I post helpful videos like this, you can be able to get notified. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.